Hello everyone, welcome to Methodist TV News with me, Dominique Dobry Aurelia, on August 12, 2024. We bring several pieces of information that is currently happening within this week for 3 minutes. And the headline for today is about Indonesia Minister's statement that Indonesia can use AI to save subsidized fuel budget up to 3.1 billion US dollar. Recited from Tempo, Jakarta, Indonesia can save a budget of up to 50 trillion rupiah or 3.1 billion US dollar per year by employing artificial intelligence to tighten controls of subsidized fuel, stated Maritime Affairs and Investment Coordinating Minister Luhut Binsar Panjaitan. Speaking at a coordinating ministry building in Nusantara capital city, IKN, East Kalimantan on Sunday, August 11, 2024. He therefore encouraged state-run oil and gas giant PT Pertamina to continue making good use of the cutting-edge technology to ensure precise distribution of subsidized gasoline. Those who do not deserve the subsidized fuel must not become the recipients, Minister Luhut Binsar Panjaitan stressed. Panjaitan continued to speak highly of the utilization of digital technology, highlighting Indonesia's success in saving as much as 3,000 trillion rupiah or 188.3 billion US dollar by making the most of the government digital procurement platform e-Catalog. In addition to the implementation of AI in tightening controls of the subsidized fuel, Panjaitan commended the Mineral and Coal Information System for ministries and institutions, Simbara for enabling the government to boost its revenue. By implementing the automatic blocking system to deal with debts, the government has garnered 1.1 trillion rupiah or nearly 68 million US dollar in state revenue, he said. With all that in mind, it is safe to say that the use of the technology has significantly increased our budget efficiency, he remarked. Earlier, Pertamina President Director Naik Widiawati informed that her side has been utilizing AI to manage its business comprehensively from upstream to downstream sectors. We have begun to use AI to process and analyze data in a faster manner, thereby allowing us to make accurate decisions, she said. With the help of progressive technology, Pertamina is able to process on some 15 million transactions of subsidized fuels on a daily basis. Well, everyone, that is all for the news for today. Please, for more information, kindly visit our website on www.methodisttv.com. And I'm Dominique Dobry Aurelia. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and signing out.